In this video, we're going to add an inspector into the Field Eagle system. Note that the Field Eagle system has users and inspectors. A user is someone who can access the Field Eagle admin website. An inspector can only access the Field Eagle mobile app on their tablet. There are two ways to add inspectors. First, you can select Add Inspectors under Get Started from the main dashboard. Alternatively, you can select it from the navigation menu on the left under the User Management tab. This page shows all inspectors added into the system. You can add, edit, or delete inspectors from this view. Click Add New Inspector on the top left. Enter the inspector's contact details. The first name, last name, email, and password are required on the screen. The rest is optional. Once the information is filled out and you've created a password, select Save Inspector. The inspector will get an email notification that their account has been created.